The Gulf Cooperation Council countries have called for the necessity for the organization to participate in any negotiation related to the security and stability of the region. In Ecuador, 75 prisoners died during violent riots in 3 prisons due to clashes between rival gangs. In India, farmer leader Rakesh Tikait has warned that if the Modi government does not repeal new agricultural law, the protesting farmers will march toward Delhi with 4 million tractors. Prime Minister Imran Khan has emphasized improving trade links among the countries to the subcontinent to bring people out of poverty. Malaysia urged to explain the deportation of Myanmar detainees despite the court order. Italy asked the UN to probe into the killing of envoy in DR Congo. Federal judge bans enforcement of Joe Biden 100 days deportation pause. Rouhani says that Iran is committed to the nuclear agreement.